In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restack on Substack. If you're a creator on this platform, understanding how to effectively share content with your subscribers is essential. Restacking is a powerful feature that allows you to reshare posts directly in the Substack Notes space, making it an excellent way to engage with your audience. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you can navigate this feature with ease. First things first, log into your Substack account. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial step to access all the functionalities you'll need today. Once you're logged in, you have the entire platform at your fingertips. Now, as you browse through the wide array of posts on Substack, keep an eye out for the ones you find particularly insightful or relevant to your subscribers. When you land on a post that you decide is worth sharing, watch for an icon that looks like a circle with two arrows. This is the Restack icon, your gateway to sharing the post in the notes space where your subscribers can easily see it. Click on the Restack icon and you'll be presented with a few options on how you wish to proceed with sharing the post. Here you have the flexibility to tailor your Restack according to how you want to present it to your subscribers. You can simply restack it as is, a straightforward way to share, or you might choose to add your personal twist by including your own text and thoughts. This added context can enrich the content for your audience, giving them a deeper insight into why you're sharing it and what it means within the larger conversation in your notes feed. Once you've decided and customized or not your Restack, publishing it is the next step. With just a click, your Restack along with any notes you've added will appear in your Substack notes feed. This is where your subscribers can interact with your curated content. It's a wonderful way to create a dialogue and foster a community around shared ideas and content. Restacking is more than just sharing. It's about engaging, curating, and adding value for your audience. By regularly sharing and adding your insights, you build a rapport and become a trusted source of information within your niche. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively restack posts on Substack, enriching your subscribers' experience and enhancing your interaction with them. Keep engaging and sharing, and watch your community thrive. Thanks for watching, and happy restacking.